video is a little different one. In this video, I will share with you how I have organized my fridge. I hope you will like it. Let me clear something. I am not an expert, as I told you earlier. I will share with you my experiences. So without any further ado, let's jump to the video. And it is from Samsung. First I will show you the fridge section. It is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and at the end you can find 2 baskets. So I will start from the first one. In the first row I have kept here 2 baskets, one big, another is medium. This basket is for snacks. Let's see. Some almonds, bhujia, wafer, cornflakes, another pack of bhujia. And these I need always because of my son. And here I have prepared poppy seed. I have soaked poppy seed because tomorrow in the morning I will blend it and will make the vegetable. In this medium basket, I have already prepared dough for tomorrow's tiffin. As you can see, I kept here kitchen napkin, so it will be very fresh. Now come to this rack. Here you can see a steel holding rack is there. It is for bottle, but as we don't prefer cold water, so I kept only a bottle of water. And this is egg rack. Here you can see I have kept 2 tiffin boxes. In this tiffin box I have kept here dates, which I every day eat. It is in my diet. And in this small tiffin box, here I have cleaned and cut vegetables for tomorrow morning. With posto, I will make a jhinge posto for tomorrow. Next row is for masalas. This tray is full of pots which are filled with different types of masala. And this is my bread box. You can find here a kitchen napkin to keep it fresh. And yes, it is obviously brown bread. Come to the next part. Here is also another tray. These 3 tiffin boxes for 3 of us, and this cup is for tomorrow morning. And here is my posto strainer. Here in this tiffin box, some leftover fishes. This is milk. And this is for tomorrow morning. My son will eat this before going to school with rice. Come to the next row. This basket is for fruits. Behind it, I have kept some dry red chili. This box contains spoons. I keep this box here at night because there are some cockroaches. This row is for vegetable. These eco-friendly bags to contain vegetables. These are washable, reusable and eco-friendly. But I will suggest you, before keeping your vegetables into these bags, make sure that vegetables are clean and dry. I don't have this bag sufficient. I have to buy more. Now come to the door side. On the first row, there is some masala, my thyronome masala. This row is for sauces and jam, Glucon-D, chocolate of my son, and some snacks also. Yeah, this is vinegar. In this row I have kept flour, besan, chattu. You can keep your flours in the fridge. It will be very fresh and out of the reach of any insect. Beneath it there is biscuit, oats, detox water for tomorrow, lemon, pudina patti. At the last there is juice, pasta packet and some bread. This is the end of fridge section. Now I will show you the freezer one. Yeah. This is kulfi. 1, 2, 3, 4 racks and then 2 baskets. This basket contains a tiffin box which has meat. I will cook it day after tomorrow. This is a small tiffin box. If any 1 or 2 pieces of fish are left, I keep it here. And this is a juice pot. I keep here my son's juice. And these milks are for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. This basket also has a tiffin box. This tiffin box contains fishes which I have already cleaned and marinated with salt and turmeric. Here is some card. This is for ice cube. In the first drawer, you will find here some chicken pops, baby corn which I need for soup, and a packet of sweet corn. There are also 2 tiffin boxes filled with fish, and this box is empty. If you keep a bowl full of water and a piece of lemon, you will not get any odor here. You can try it and send me your feedback. When you open the door, you will very easily will get the very fresh aroma of fresh lemon. This is my simple organization of fridge. I hope you will like it. Let me remind you, I am not an expert. I share my experiences with you, my dear friends. I hope this video will help you. Please don't forget to subscribe, to send your feedback, and don't forget to click the notification bell. So, keep watching my videos. Thank you.